wild and awesome, and I'm very grateful to everybody who's been watching my streams from when I started, from a few months ago, a few years ago, whenever it is that you started. I appreciate you. I hope that you guys continue to watch me now and in the future. And don't worry, guys, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to keep streaming for y'all. I'm going to keep showing up every single day for as long as you guys are there to watch me. Thank you for 6 million. Genuinely thank you, chat. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry, chat. I'm going to cry.